Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Javeer Malik. In today's video, we will be talking about the TIFR-GS Chemistry Examination. First, let's talk about what is TIFR. TIFR is a Tata Institute of Fundamental Research that is a premier research institution in India and has its campuses in Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad and Bangalore. It offers degrees in the area of natural sciences, namely biology, physics, chemistry and mathematics and computer sciences. The degrees offered in the chemistry discipline are namely Integrated M.Sc Ph and PhD. The admission to these programs is through a two-stage process that involves firstly an entrance test, that is a computer-based examination, and secondly a personal interview held at the respective campuses. The degree offered in the chemistry subject are offered mainly at two campuses. First is the Mumbai campus and second is the Hyderabad campus. In this video, we will be talking about the entrance examination and the pattern and the preparation strategy for the entrance examination. So firstly, let's talk about the pattern of this examination. This examination is going to be a 3-hour examination that is a computer-based test and consists of 40 questions. Each question has a +3 -1 marking scheme. That is, for each correct answer, you will be awarded +3 marks, and for each negative answer, you will be deducted -1 marks. Regarding the paper pattern, the examination is going to have questions from chemistry as well as basic mathematics. The chemistry portion will have questions from your graduation level, that is from physical, organic, inorganic and analytical chemistry. And the maths portion will have questions of around the JEE mains level, that is the 12th level, integration, differentiation, functions and all that. As of 2025 examination that was held in 2024 December, for the admission in the 2025 session, there were around 6 to 7 questions asked in the examination from mathematics section. The exam is held in the first or second week of December. For the admission to the 2026 session, the examination is going to be held on 14 December 2025 and the last date of form filling is 26th October 2025. Regarding the cutoff, there is no clear cutoff as such mentioned on the website, or there is no official data that is released by the TIFR regarding the cutoff. There will be candidates shortlisted for the interviews respectively as per the vacancies released by the TIFR, and the list will be uploaded on the TIFR official website. As a rough estimate can be taken from the previous years as per the data available on the internet, as well as upon my interaction with the people at the TIFR interview. Around 22 to 25 questions need to be correct with minimum negative marking, like if you corrected 25 questions or 22 questions, like 22 to 25 questions if you have done mark correctly, you will be shortlisted for the interviews at the Mumbai and Hyderabad campus based on that year's vacancies. The preparation strategy for this exam should be ideally that you should cover your IIT JAM syllabus firstly by the end of October or by the first week of November. Regarding the question practice and the question banks, there are previous year questions that are uploaded on the official website of TIFR. I will mention the link in the comment section and the description also. You can check out the question papers in the previous year question paper section on the website itself, and also practice keeping in mind the IIT JAM syllabus. And the question level is going to be analytical, that is going to test your thinking skills and not your rote learning. Some questions might also be from the section of your practical examination. For example, there was one question in our question paper, that is a last year examination, that was of the complex formed when the iodine is reacted with starch in the estimation of in the iodination reaction. So basically that is a starch I3- complex. So that was one practical question asked, and there were 5 to 6 questions from mathematics, around that is a rough estimate, around 6 to 7 questions, around which 2 to 3 questions were from graph. The graph section is very important. You need to study the basic trigonometric functions and the graph of some common function, that e to the power -x, e to the power x, and the basic manipulations using the logarithmic, trigonometric and the exponential properties. The benefits of giving this examination is that firstly, you will be considered for admission at the one of the most prestigious institutions in India for research. The most prominent scientists of the country work at TIFR, and also you will be getting an opportunity to work with them under their guidance. The second benefit is that your exam is in the mid December and the JAM examination is in mid February. So you get good 2 months to analyze your performance in that examination and improve upon the weak areas. So my tips would regarding this examination, as I have myself been selected for the Integrated M.Sc PhD program at TIFR Hyderabad. My advice to you will be that you should firstly complete your syllabus by the first week of November maximum, and then start practicing the questions as mentioned in the question bank and in the previous year question papers and in the JAM previous year questions also. And also practice basic calculus and basic mathematics from the 12th class also. So that is it for this video. In case you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section and I'll answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.